mShop, world's first video shopping platform for the supplier and the customer link, how to use the platform and get connected with your supplier to enjoy the seamless video shopping services with mShop. So to begin with, let us first understand the supplier's login. After easy registration process with mShop, the supplier will be able to make their shop digital within 1 minute. Once they have registered and they have got their shop online, they will be able to log in into this account, which is a supplier's account. You can see on the screen. The dashboard is visible. So after logging in, on the dashboard, today's orders will be visible. You can filter out the dates. So you can see past 7 days, 1 month, last month, and or customer range orders which are placed on your mShop account. Then you have my account, where on my account it will show you your basic details which you have given during registration process, and also your live URL shop, which is your digital link, is visible on your my account. The same can be copy and promoted from this copy and promote button on the top. This you can share on any social media platform, your WhatsApp groups, SMS to customers, so that you can promote your shop and they will be able to receive your digital link and get connected with you. Then we have a facility to view my orders. All the orders which have been placed so far on your mShop account will be visible over here. You can filter out with the help of date range. You have a video order facility. So this video order, how it works: suppose your shop is online for 12 hours in a day. For the rest 12 hours, your shop is offline, means you are not available. We at mShop, we help you to be available 24/7 for your customers. So what happens once you have logged out or you are offline, any customer who is trying to access your digital link will get a message that the supplier is not available right now. You can leave a video order. So what happens, instead of a shopkeeper going back with no result, the customer can leave a video order for you. Suppose I visited this shop link at around 10 p.m. but the shopkeeper is not available online. So I will be getting an option which I will show you in the demonstration, that I can put my basic details like my name and contact number, and I can leave a video order of what I am looking for, or maybe if I have something specific to buy, I can leave my order details, that can you please deliver so and so items tomorrow morning at my home location. So once you submit the video order, whenever you are again online, you will be able to view the complete video order over here on this page. So if you click on this button, it will help you to play the video order, and you can enter the basic details and add the order. Also, the number of the customer who has left the video order is visible. In case of any queries, you can call him back and clarify. Then you have a notification tab which helps you to get the details of the past notifications for any new customer waiting in the queue, whose call has to be attended, any video order you have received, or any order which has been placed, or a payment also. So here we have an online payment facility. In case when you are connected with the customer online on the video call, once you add the order details, once the order is finalized, you will be able to initiate an online payment, which the customer will be receiving a link during the video call itself, and he can make the online payment based on that. Then you have contact us details, where you have the details to contact with the technical team in case of any queries, terms and conditions, FAQs for using the platform in a much easy way to answer your general queries, and privacy policies. So let me show you how we can connect with this supplier right now. So you can see the supplier is there. I will be giving a call to this supplier on his digital link. So his digital link is very simple: on.mshop.live/ the contact number of the supplier. So while registration, we have different packages. In the basic package, we provide the digital link with the contact number. In the premium packages, we provide with the shop name. So it could be mshop.live/Chroma store or Pizza Hut, etc. So this customized link with human touches are available. So right now I am trying to call this supplier on his link. So it asks for the location of customer because the customer's location is visible to the supplier once the customer is calling. So this call is going on from my side. So let me show you first this click to record video order. So in case I am having token number 30, so I know there are 29 people ahead of me in the queue, or maybe the supplier is not online right now, I get an option to record the video and share with the shopkeeper. I can record my order. Hi. Hi, so tomorrow morning you can please deliver 10 kg of atta, 5 bread slices, 2 packet milk at my home tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Thank you. Hi. Hi, so tomorrow morning you can please deliver 10 kg of atta, 5 bread slices, 2 packet milk at my home. So this video order is successfully sent to the supplier. Now we can check. So yeah, so here you can see the video order notification came. This video has been left just now when I use link and share the details as Varun. So you can see at 6 o'clock this video order has been received. The supplier can click on the video order details and view the recording. Hi, so tomorrow morning you can please deliver. So I have seen the video recording. Now I can proceed. I have got the address of the customer as well. In case I have any other query related to the address of delivery or any other details I need, I can contact on the contact number of the customer which he has left while placing the video order. And now I can place the order. So this order is added successfully for this customer, and I can, as a supplier, I can process it for further delivery at his home location. So now you can see this order is processed now, and at the home page you can see this order has been added, right? So this is how video order work. Now let me show you a live video chatting with the supplier. So again I will give a call to the supplier on his link. So you can see I have got a token number 1, means I am the first caller right now. On the supplier side, he has got a notification, new customer added to the queue, and when the supplier checks the queue, he is able to view this token number 1 and buyer number 277. So this buyer number 277 indicates that this is 277th caller via mShop to this particular supplier, and token number 1 indicates that right now he is the first person and the only person who is calling you. In case this queue increases, the token number 1, 2, 3, 4 keeps on displaying over here. So let me receive this call first. Connected on the video call now after receiving the call at supplier's end. The customer is also able to view the supplier. So now the customer can ask for the product, what the product looks like, which product he's looking for. The supplier can take him to the respective aisle and show him the product, and they both can interact about it, the detailing of the product. The customer and supplier, once they finalize the product, the customer is willing to buy the product, the supplier can add the order details. So I'm adding the order details. So I just need the contact number, name, and the amount, and the description of the product the customer is buying. So once I place the order over here, the details are punched, and Now the application asks me whether the customer is willing to make the online payment. In case he's not looking for online payment, I can click on no, and the payment will be done once the delivery is done to the customer. Or else if I click on yes, the customer basically will receive a payment link. So now you can see on the customer side the payment link is visible, and if he clicks on yes, it will take him to the online payment gateway where he can make the payment either via the credit card, debit card, UPI payment, wallet payments, etc. So these can be done on the payment link. So this order details are done and the supplier is waiting for the payment, and on the customer side the payment gateway is loading, where the payment gateway will give him the options to make the complete amount. So on customer side he cannot change the amount. Whatever amount is punched by the supplier, the same amount he has to pay on the payment gateway. So change of amount is not possible at customer end. So this online payment facility will open, and it will help them to make the online payment. Once the payment is done, the supplier will receive a notification and the details will be available from which mode of payment the complete payment was done. And once the process is done, they both can cancel the ongoing call. So now you can see this order I just added for ₹1 during the video conference with the customer. So this is how video shopping works on mShop. Also, we have a provision of multi-tenant login. So in case in your shop you are having, or in your store you are having 5 different agents, we can provide them different agent account under your shop itself. So there is a add user facility where you can keep on creating different agents under your account, and after entering their details, they will also be able to log in into mShop and attend calls. So in case you have 3 agents who are logged in right now, and right now 4 customers are calling, so 3 calls can be conducted simultaneously, and only one customer will have to wait, because you have 3 agents right in place. So one agent can pick one call each, and in case one call is already picked by one agent, it will show to the other agent that someone is already attending this call. So we have already created the agent login for my shop. So I'll just show you another agent login. So this is the same login. You can see the same order details are visible. So it is a synced account where Tarun is the supplier and Varun is the agent over here. Right? So in case he wish to, now if suppose we are getting a call from the customer. So let me show you one example for the same. So I'm giving call to this supplier on their mShop digital link. So you can see, so this supplier can also see the call coming on his account, as well as the agent can also see the call coming. So in case this agent picks the call first and he is getting connected with the customer, this supplier now sees that someone is already attending this call because it is picked already by the agent of the shop. So this facility is already there, that multiple agents can interact and attend calls at the same time for different customers, and there will be no confusion, as the system gives a proper indication. If any call is being picked by any other agent, it right away shows that this call is attended by some of the agent. Someone is attending this customer already. Right? So there is no mix up of calls in between, and all the calls will go smoothly with multiple agent login as well. So this is the complete package we are having for mShop. So we would request you to grab the opportunity of this festival season and the ongoing situations and enjoy. Thank you. Thank you.